If you are planning to buy Fliki AI, then this is the perfect time for you. Fliki is offering a flat 50% discount during this Black Friday. You can simply use this coupon code which is showing on your screen to get a 50% discount. This coupon is only valid with yearly plan. To claim the coupon, simply sign up for a Fliki account. Once you are done, you'll be taken to Fliki AI dashboard. Here, click on this upgrade button on the top right. Next, select any plan you want to continue with. I recommend the premium plan as it will give you access to every feature of Fliki. When you click here, you'll be taken to the checkout page. On the left side, you'll see that the subscription will cost you well over $1,000. Now you only need to go to this promo code section and enter this coupon code. The coupon code is Fliki Black Friday 50. And then click on the apply button. This will give you a flat 50% discount on your subscription. And now you only need to pay $528 for the yearly subscription. So, select your payment methods here and make your payments. And you'll be able to get the discount. To support our channel, you can use our affiliate link which is given down below in the description. This will help us earn some commission, but it won't cost you anything extra. Plus, if you are watching this video at a later date, the affiliate link will provide you the latest offers of Fliki AI. So make sure to use that link. Thanks for watching. And I will see you in my next video.